I have. It didn't work.
You got me down again.
And here we go. The world's safest car.
You know, I just want to do one of them like Rob Ferretti style videos, like the super speeders. They always seem really cool. What's up, guys? Mike Ferretti here. You know what I mean? Felt the need to make this video to let you guys know 5 features. Now we got 3. I got to figure out the other 2. I'm gonna figure out the other 2 as I'm walking around, hopefully. But trying to come up with 5 features. So far, I only got 3 features that you probably didn't know about your BMW M340i, unless you watch this video. Before I get inside the car, you brought up a good point. The high performance speed and cooling package of my M340. A lot of M340s come with run flats, and the top speed is like 130 miles an hour. This car is a little bit different. It comes from the factory with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. You probably have heard me say that in a couple other videos. And it comes with a spare and an elevated top speed of 155 miles an hour, which I went 160. So I'm not sure exactly how that worked when I first bought the car. The number and codes thing right here. The spare is convenient. I used it a couple times. The tools suck. I think you need your own jack and your own supplies, but the tire is pretty good. I've used it. Works like any other spare does. And believe it or not, running down run flats in your car, running Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, I've actually, had less blowouts and rim damage than I do when I run the run flats, which I'm pretty sure I said in a lot of my videos. Yeah, so the thing is, in order for me to show this feature, this is why you were called out here. So you can either be the driver or the hitter. Now, the reason why I say you should be the hitter is because you got to figure out how to hold the GoPro like this while you're trying to run me over. All right.
Why don't you be the driver, since you know this?
And then, but I don't want to be the driver and then it not work and then I hit you, bro. That's gonna suck. I almost hit David, and it's gonna be you too. Next is Jay, Eric, and Will. I gotta hit everybody. Yo, they got some decent cars over here. I would love to do like car reviews on stuff like this. What's that, a GLC? I would love to do car reviews on stuff like that. That's a nice house too. But... So I think we're gonna pick this block.
This is an abandoned crib. I can get this shit.
Oh yeah, that's abandoned. Well, I don't know.
What it up, whatever it is.
So I think we're going. It's a 225. I think we should pick this block. The reason why is because we're already on it. Yo, matter of fact, we should see if he wants to do it. You think he want to do it?
I sincerely doubt it.
I'm not gonna press the brake, bro. I'm not gonna press the brake. If anything, I'll swerve. If it don't work, I'll swerve out the way. So don't stand in the middle of the street, because I might hit you.
I'll stand like
Yeah, perfecto, bro. Oh, no, I was supposed to say. So this is gonna either go horribly right or horribly wrong. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come down this block, well, I'm gonna make a U. I would probably get up to about 30 miles an hour, because I think a lot of the systems don't work, which the pedestrian ones should work at low speeds, but we will see. I don't know. So I'm going to get it up to about like 30 miles an hour. I'm going to get fairly close to him, and we're going to see when exactly it presses the brake. And I won't press the brake at all. Like I said, I will swerve just so we can get a full comparison.
How many friends you know gonna let your friends hit you with, attempt to hit you with a car? Plus side, I got all the fluff in the world if he does miss. So
just so we can get a legitimate, you know, thing of how late. Because sometimes you might get scared and press the brake first. I was really trying to hit my boy because like it was like a game of chicken. So we're gonna try it now. I'm gonna have it in comfort mode. I should have it in BMW Sport, but all right, here goes nothing.
this is the fear I have. It didn't work.
Yo, I didn't hit you, did I? Yo, it stopped so late, bro.
Yeah, that shit ain't work.
It worked, but it, like, I didn't press the brake at all.
Oh, it worked then.
All right, let's do it again.
Do it again.
You want to do it again? Yeah, one time is good. One time is good. I hope they see what it was like, though. But, yeah, that's another feature that's another feature that you might not know that your Beamer has. And I hope you don't know. I hope you don't.
I hope you're not relying on that feature.
Yeah, don't rely on it.
This
Because,
is a true test of friendship, by the way.
yo, oh, that's a nice super over there. But
I don't know too many friends who's willingly gonna be. Yo,
bro, I don't.
Almost hit me, bro.
I don't either, yo. Yo, you the man for that. Definitely need seatbelt. Oh, 4 miles to empty. I was about to spin it. I was about to drift this whole joint in sport mode. And then I just seen 4 miles to eat. What do you think, though? It started to press the brake, bro, and I don't know why.
It slowed down.
Yeah.
Just the fear of getting.
Bro, the way I gripped it last minute, like, yo, because my foot wasn't even on the brake. Like, I was trying to panic to go to the brake after, because I was like, damn, bro, not another friend gone, son. Like, it's crazy.
It's just
Everything works together. The car expects a lot of people to react. It expects you to jump on the brake, right? And it expects the pedestrian to run. So I'll say this, right? You get both of us in the shot. I'll say this, right? It gave me the initial nudge so I look up and I'm like, oh, somebody. And then I slam on the brakes and then you run and everybody's okay. As opposed to me like, yo, it's my boy, we trying to make a YouTube video. Okay, boom, you know.
It gave you a warning.
I respect BMW for that. You know why?
Pay attention.
Let's say, yeah, but let's say you in a dangerous threat and somebody is in front of you and they got a gun, right? Right now, and you gotta hit the gas and run them over. Imagine if you hitting the gas, you almost got it. Car goes right in front. Boom, 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 boom. My glass not bulletproof, bro. You all shot. The car basically drove me to death. So I can respect it.
That is,
maybe you need to run over somebody.
That is an extreme. That is an extreme case.
Yeah, but you know what? It's one of those type of things. You know how like the Benz be like, "Are you awake?" and they give you a cup of coffee. Like you just pull over here, get a rest stop. This is like, "Are you really about it?" Like that first tap is like, "Yo, you about it?" And as soon as you double tap the gas again, they're like, "All right, we releasing brakes."
All right, I was just checking.
I was just making sure this is what you wanted to do, and now we out. Boom. You know what I mean? Like. I configure, so these are all the safety features it has, right? Front collision mitigation, lane departure warning, the steering intervention is the thing that keeps you in out of lanes above 40 miles an hour. Maybe we weren't doing 40 when it wouldn't do it.
No, it was like 30. It was traffic.
Oh yeah, that's probably why it was zigzagging in the lanes not properly. But then you have the active blind spot detection. So I normally keep everything on because everything really works and I like it, right? See, this is with brake intervention. This is the kid playing. See, that was you, bro. See, I said it's early too. Imagine what late would be, bro. We'd already tapped you.
That little dead. Late?
Normally I drive with it turned off, but they have this intelligent safety thing. I'm just turn it all on and the steering wheel will move as it gets closer to the lane. Like, let me get in the middle lane. All right, cool. Now let it go to the right. Make it easy on both of us. See, look, no hands. Look, the bitch. You see it?
Oh shit!
Look. But yeah, I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna let go to the left. Watch the car. Oh. It did not do it that time. Yeah, what? Damn. Hold on, let me regroup real quick. Let me think about this. So this green light has to be on. I know that, but I thought it was on. The cameras have to read the
lanes.
Yeah, and it looks like it's activated. It would say it's not if it wasn't. So let's do the right again. You see how the wheel? Oh, and this dude about to cut me off, bro. All right, let me try again. See if I can show y'all one more time before we crash and burn.
You might be practicing this on a curved road, though.
Or alright, look, boom. Look.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you see it? It holds. You see it, but see, one of the scary things about it is, see, these lanes are a little tight, so it kind of overcorrects this way. You get what I'm saying? So like, it'll let me get right on the line and then swing the car over, and I'll ping pong. So it'll go right, left, right, left. It'll stay in the lane, but it's not so easy where it's like.
It works better on a wider highway.
I would say it's not to keep you in the lane. It's just to make sure you don't sideswipe nobody. It's expecting your hands to be there and expecting your hands to do the rest of the correction, because all it does is swing the wheel. And if you can see where it let go, it just swings the wheel and it pings pong. So it swings left, swings right, swings left. But that's one of the things that, I mean, I think some people might not know that about the car.
I agree.
Because to be honest with you, when I first got the car, I was going through the highway and everything like that, and I didn't even know. I noticed it, but like I didn't think that that's what it was. I'm thinking like, whoa, it's pulling when you're on like a crown of the road and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I started to notice when this started to flash, and you know how you let go of the wheel or something and it starts to pull. I rented a Subaru like that, a Legacy.
Yeah.
The Legacy was way better though. The Legacy damn near drove itself to Jersey, bro. So the second thing is the e-brake thing, right? You pull this. You can see no feet on the brake, no gas. And it comes to a complete controlled stop. Like you would think this is the equivalent of pulling the e-brake.
Nah, that's way more smoother than a manual.
Yeah, because if you pull the e-brake, the back wheels lock up. This applies like even brake to all wheels.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's a good thing. You know, you teaching your kid how to drive, you know, he or she starts going crazy, you just, yo, where you going? Boom, look at that. Stop.
My neck hurts, but yeah.
Complete stop. Passenger always has a pedal to brake because you're just driving, they don't like what you're doing, pop. It comes to a complete stop. And that happens when you're on the gas too. I've been liking them Cayennes lately.
Those are nice cars.
Yeah, the Cayenne. Yo, 2000, I'm gonna spit a couple, a jewel here. They might not hear me say this ever again because I'm thinking about looking for one. 2000, I think 12 or 2013, Cayenne Turbo, 25 to 26 grand. 4.8 liter twin turbo V8, downpipe in a tune, 638 wheels, 640 wheel horsepower. Downpipe in a tune. They pure got upgraded turbos for that truck, I think, too. Same motor as the Panamera, turbo. 25, 26 grand, you got a Trackhawk. A German Trackhawk. All-wheel drive, 600 something horsepower, X5M levels.
Damn.
The one that I seen had 160,000 miles, and I would have to pay the 24 bands cash, and I don't feel like putting that much cash into that right now because I got others to buy. So I was gonna get it 160,000 miles though. But yo,
But how hard is that 160 miles?
it looked like it was well maintained. I'm at the point where it don't matter to me.
Well, for you, yeah, because you're gonna build it anyway.
Yeah, it don't matter to me. Imagine my third circle around the gas station.
I was right on my first choice. Wait,
Damn, son.
what'd you do?
Look at that. 389. Look at them gas bills. Shut up, them gas bills. Oh, man. You think I could borrow the WRX, bro?
Sure, I mean.
He said that's bad.
I made 30 miles.
You put 87 in your joint?
Oh, okay.
Oh, you put 93?
Yeah, bro.
I didn't know.
Disrespectful. Oh, that's cold-blooded.
I didn't know your shit took a premium, bro.
Oh, because we slow, we don't take
Nah, I'm just saying. I didn't know. Let me close this one out. But yeah, we gonna get back to y'all later.
Yep.
Because we gotta put gas in, and then we gonna film the intro after. So, peace out. figured out another feature, bro.
What?
This is the last feature, because remember the video is supposed to be 5. You see how we shake it right now?
Yeah.
Figure out the last feature that you guys didn't know. There you go. I had to unfocus it. That you guys didn't know about the M340. See this? See this? You know what the 5th and last one is?
What?
In New York, this is considered an off-road vehicle. These go through all these bumps and holes. This is an all-terrain vehicle. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Hold up. Shit. That's crazy. I need to stop saying that. That's fucking. Now we're about to get to the good road. But it's like, yeah, these houses are nice back here.
It was like 2 for sale back there.
Look at this.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
Then we get back to the...
Back to civilization.
Exactly. But just so you know, Jeep Wrangler, 4x4 square G-Wagon, Toyota Tundra, M340i, all can go off-road.
In New York?
In New York. You might lose some control arms, strut here or there.
The mud flats were not animated.
Your teeth.
Mud flats were not animated.
Mud flats.
I said the run flats.
Oh, run flats. Oh yeah, they wouldn't have made it, man. Oh, I used to take pictures over here. They gated it all up. For what reason, I don't know.